Okay, so this is our app, Smart Irrigation. It's an app that helps with manage managing the water usage for like agriculture, landscaping, and home gardens. Okay, so our goal with this app is to provide an intuitive app interface for homeowners, farmers, and landscapers to easily manage irrigation, to automate watering schedules using real-time water data, soil moisture levels, and plant-specific needs, to promote responsible water usage, to support environmental sustainability, and enhance plant vitality while reducing water waste and overall expenses. How does it work? So we have the main screen, which is a user authentication, where you can either create a new account or you can log in with the existing account. Right. So if you have a new if you're creating an account, it's going to ask you to verify your email, and it's going to send a code to your email to verify it. Alright, so the next step is to set up your location, and then you can also have the watering history, so you can keep track of the past watering events, helping users monitor the water usage and make informed decisions for future irrigation planning. We have also a soil moisture monitor, and that also requires a monitoring device which is inserted on the soil, which like is shown in this picture right here. We also have watering reminders, and it is linked with the weather. So should a case when it's a rainy day, the watering or irrigation will be paused until the weather states that it's going to be sunny again, so it doesn't need it. We have scheduling timers, maintenance checklists, and language and region settings. At last, we have a plant database, so plants can be found and have the correct information how to take care of them. Also, we included an AI assistant where you can ask questions about the irrigation. For example, we use this one. What are some tips to take care of my lawn during the summer? So it should put answers really quick. And at last, we have your review section where we dedicated this area for users so they can tell us what we can improve about the app, so we can make changes accordingly. And what will we say we learned with this project? That Agile project management is an adaptive, collaborative approach centered on delivering value continuously through the iterative work cycles rather than following a rigid plan. So it's very flexible. It promotes teamwork, and it promotes the customer being involved in the project, like throughout the project. So Scrum, for example, organizes work into short, repeatable cycles called sprints. And this sprints the work is guided by artifacts like product backlog, sprint backlog, and the increment. So overall, Scrum brings structure to Agile by encouraging the regular delivery, adaptability to change, and continuous improvement. So this can help teams stay aligned, productive, and focused on what really matters the most, delivering value. What we would say, it went well in our group. We had a great feedback from everybody. We made sure to integrate each team member's idea to the project through every sprint. So continuously, developers we're submitting the work to the group, so we can have opinion from everybody to make sure what we can improve and what we could do for the next step. So one issue that we had was the scheduling meetings across different time zones, because all of us are in different countries. So it made it very difficult to find a consistent meeting time that would work for everyone. So how does impact a project? We have delays in communication and decision making, missed meetings and incomplete attendance, and reduced team engagement and slower progress during the sprint. So what we did to solve this problem was to choose a rotating meeting schedule, so it will be convenient and fair for everybody. So in the group, we use WhatsApp to communicate. No matter the time, everybody was sharing the ideas and the work. So at the end of the week, we'll have like a meeting where we gather all the opinions or work that we did throughout the week, and we will summarize it and we will submit our assignment so everybody can be on the same page. So that will be it.